Okay, boys and girls, so we're going to start today with just doing, working on numbers a little bit. So I am going to count. I'm going to say some numbers, and then I'm going to stop, and you're going to fill in the missing number. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you get it? It was 10. Good job. So now let's see, I'm going to start at 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Did you get it? 25. Good job. And let's do one more round of those and do 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Did you get 40? Good job. Okay, so now let's count by tens, from 10 to 100, just counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Okay, so we are going to do Monster Mansion Match, and we are going to do addition, because that's what we're working on, right? Yep, so let me click that.
Memory, show me.
And we are going to do memory. Okay, so this is memory, and so we are looking for an addition problem in the answer. So let's see. First, what do we got? 2, and let's see if we can. Oh, look, 0 plus 2 does equal 2, so we got it right. So now I'm going to pick another one. 0 plus 1. What does 0 plus 1 equal? Yep, it's 1. So let's see. Oh, not right. 0 plus 1, and let's try this one. Yay! So we know what this gotta be, right? All right, here comes some more. So let's try it again. Let's see what we got. Ooh, what number is that? Is that a 5? Yeah. It's a kind of a strange looking octopus, huh? 3 plus 2 does equal 5, so we got that one. What's this one? 6. And, not right. Let's try this one. Oh, that says 4, so what is 4, I think? 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we know what this one's got to be, right? Okay, I'm going to pick this one. 7. Okay, let's try this one. 4 plus 3. So I start at 4, and I count on 3 more. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Do you remember where we saw the 7? Yep, right over here. So now let's try this one. 8. I don't remember, do you? Oh. 9. 5 plus 3. All right, good. We're going to do one more round, and then we'll stop. Well, this is interesting because there's just 5 doors, so there's got to be one that doesn't have a match, I guess. We'll figure it out. 6 plus 1, so I start at 6, and I add 1 to it, so that is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Ooh. So let's see what we got here. 14. My guess is that one does not have a match because we have not done them that high. Oh, 9 plus 5.
Good job. You made it to the top.
That was a hard one, huh?
Good job. You made it to the top. Good job. You made it to the top. Good.
Good afternoon, boys and girls. So we are ready for math. And like I say almost every day, our math is just a little bit different today because of not being able to be in our room with all of our stuff around us. But so we're going to read a story, and we're going to do a couple of number activities, and then we are also going to do an addition memory game. If we'd been at school, we would have done it at my table in our small groups, but we're not. So I have a game from the computer from ABC that we're going to play to help us with our addition facts. And then we will go over the rest of our lesson. So that's kind of our plan first for today. So right now, the story that we're going to read is called Animals on Board. And the author is Stuart J. Murphy, and it's illustrated by R.W. Alley. A lot of these books that we read during our math time, these are part of a series that are called Math Start. And so they're just books that help us get started with our math lesson. Okay, so Animals on Board. My truck chugs slowly down the road, carrying a special load. I'm the driver. My name is Jill. I make sure that my load won't spill. A big green truck goes roaring past with 3 fierce tigers. Count them fast. 1, 2, 3. Don't look now. Here come 2 more. Add them up and they might roar. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Six white swans are passing by. They have wings, but they don't fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look out now. Here comes another. Maybe it's their little brother. 6 plus 1 equals 7. What's this funny thing I see? 4 green frogs are passing me. 1, 2, 3, 4. My truck keeps moving. It doesn't stop. 4 more frogs pass. Hip hop, hip hop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. One more truck is passing now. 7 prancing horses. Wow! Then another truck I see. This one holds another 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. The next truck holds a splendid sight. 9 plucked pandas, black and white. A red truck passes me with care. What's in the back? Nothing there. So 9 plus 0 equals 9. But on the front's a special sign. This time for me to get in line. Wide load. At last I've reached my final stop. My truck held the tippy top. So now that all our work is done, it's finally time to have some fun. Can you find 5 tigers, 7 swans, 8 frogs, 10 horses, and 9 pandas? Look at all of those animals. Oh my goodness. There are so many animals in there, aren't there? Okay, the end. Okay, so I'm going to stop it now. I'm going to turn it around so we can see the board, and then we will be working on our math stuff. See you in a minute. Okay, so here we go again, and we are going to be working on addition again, of course, because that's what we're doing. I'm going to move this over a little bit better so you can see it. So these are the 2 symbols that we sort of been working on. This is called remember what that's called? It's a plus sign, so that's when you're putting sets together, and this is an equal sign. So for right now, when we write a number problem, then it usually is going to look something like 2, and then we're going to have the plus sign up there, 2 plus, and then I'm going to write 2 plus 2, okay? And then we'll have our equal sign. So 2 plus 2 equals, so remember if we're doing counting on, we'll do 2, and then I add 2 more. So I start at 2 and then do 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Good job. Okay, so I want you to remember, if you're not getting all of this stuff completely perfect, or you get it right every time, it's okay, because we're learning, right? And you'll continue to learn as you all go into 1st grade. So don't worry about it if it's hard for you, because this is kind of the period of time where it can start getting hard. Some of you are going to be able to do it and you'll be fine. But even if you don't completely get it, just remember you'll be working on this again next year. Okay? So we are going to work on a few problems before we go on to our worksheet. Okay? So remember again, this is a plus and this is equals, right? So, and I'm going to, right now, when we do this right now, I'm going to use my cubes instead of a number. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 plus 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 3 equals, then we're going to go back and we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Good job. Okay, so let's take that one off a minute. Now let's say we want to add some more to this. So now I've got, how many red cubes are right here? Good, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then how many here? 3, right? So 4 and 3, so we're going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Good job. Let's do one more like this, and then we will move on to the other stuff. So remember, the most important part of this for you to remember is that plus means we're putting our sets together into one big set. And then equal means how many did we count all together? Okay, so this time, how many do I have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3. So we're going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. All right, so let's just move on now. Okay, so this is our paper, and this one is kind of like the one we did yesterday, only yesterday it would have a set plus a set, and then it would say makes, and this time we're going to do equal sign, the equal sign. So in this circle is going to be plus, this circle is equal. So we're going to count this set plus this set. Then we're going to add them all together. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write a 6. And then I'm going to write a plus. 6 plus, and how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 4. And then we're going to write equals, and we can go back and count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right, so now let's go down here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. Then we're going to write a plus. And then how many apples do you see up there? Good, 3. So 7 plus 3. Then we're going to put our equals. So 7 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I know after doing those top two, you might think that all the answers are going to be 10, but it's not. So let's do this one. So how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many bananas do you see? 4, good. I forgot to put my plus in, didn't I? So 5 plus 4 equals, now we're going to count them all together. Oh, let me put my equal sign. 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Now I want you to do the last one on this page by yourself. And then we will look on the back. Okay. And I know by looking at this, you may think it's going to be kind of hard. And it is maybe a little bit, but not too bad. So what we're going to do first is we're going to count the first 10 frame. Now on this 10 frame, we see all the dots are colored in. So because it's a 10 frame, we know that has to be 10. And then in my second one, my second 10 frame, how many dots are colored in? None, right? So then we're going to do 2 plus 0 makes 2. I'm crazy, aren't I? 10 and 0 make 10. Okay, so then this next one, we're going to count the first 10 frame first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we'll put our 4 down. And then in the second 10 frame, how many dots? 1, 2. So 4 and 2 make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and 2 make 6. Okay, now this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first 10 frame had 6. And the second one has 1. So 6 and 1. So we can go back and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 and 1 make 7. Now, I want you to go ahead and finish this side, and only that one problem on the other side. And you all are doing a really good job, and we're done it now. So I will see you again tomorrow. I hope you have a good evening. I love you guys. Bye.